Upload videos on cos.tv and earn money online, no investment needed. Want to make money online by doing what you love? Well, what if I told you there's a platform where you can upload videos and earn money without any investment? Meet cos.tv, your gateway to online earnings, and all you need is your creativity. So, what exactly is cos.tv? cos.tv is a blockchain-based video platform where you can share your content, build an audience, and earn rewards. It's like YouTube, but with a twist, you get paid in cryptocurrency just for uploading videos. Here's how it works. When you upload a video to cos.tv, you can earn rewards in the form of Contentos tokens, COS. These tokens can later be exchanged for real money. The more views, likes, and interactions your video gets, the more COS tokens you earn. And remember, you don't need to spend a dime to get started. Now, let's break down some key benefits of cos.tv. No investment required, sign up for free and start uploading. Reach a global audience who's ready to engage with your content. Earn in cryptocurrency, Contentos tokens, COS, which can be traded or cashed out. Getting started on cos.tv is super easy. Here's a quick guide. 1. Sign up for a free account on COS TV. 2. Upload your videos, whether it's vlogs, tutorials, or anything creative. 3. Engage with your audience to grow your views, likes, and earn those rewards. cos.tv isn't just about uploading videos. You can also build a community, interact with your audience, and create a space where people come back for more. The more engagement you get, the more you earn. Ready to cash out? Your COS tokens can easily be converted to real money through various cryptocurrency exchanges. Whether you want to save or spend, cos.tv gives you the freedom to earn and grow. So, if you're looking for a way to earn money online without investment, cos.tv is your perfect match. It's easy, it's fun, and most importantly, it's profitable. Sign up today and start earning with cos.tv, the future of online video content. Like, subscribe, and follow for more tips on how to make money online.